Hello guys, welcome back in my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about CAA. Yes, Citizenship Amendment Act, a biggest panic issue for Indian government. So let's begin. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are like my video. CAA, Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. In January, Lok Sabha passed Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, which seeks to amend Citizenship Act 1955. This bill seeks to provide citizenship to illegal migrants who belongs to Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi or Christian religious communities and from Afghanistan, Bangladesh or Pakistan. The bill prevents these illegal migrants from being imprisoned and deported. It proposes to grant permanent citizenship to these migrants after staying in India for 6 years as opposed to earlier rule of 11 years. The bill allows cancellation of Overseas Citizenship of India OCI registration for violation of any law. This creates panic among overseas citizenship of India. India has a moral obligation to provide homeland to those who are rendered stateless. Afghanistan's Bangladesh or Pakistan are India's neighbor countries which have a history of persecuting religious minorities. Several migrants from these religions appealed to India for citizenship because it will be very difficult to them to get citizenship in any other countries. Our Indian government made it clear that these migrants can stay anywhere in India and not just in Northeast. Our government promised to take steps to protect and promote Assamese indigenous people's interest, language and culture. Formation of a high-level committee is proposed. Our Indian government is also proposing to give scheduled tribe status to 6 Assamese ethnic communities. This will eventually give tribal status to Assam, which provides special benefits. After all, conclusion is, though the intention of providing homeland to refugees is noble, its implementation should not create panic among other people. India is a democratic country and hence the government should consider the interest of everyone. Instead of assigning the responsibility of migrants to only northeastern states, government should effectively take steps to distribute the people among all states of the country. This bill will be further alienate and northeastern states from the rest of the country because their interests are not taken into proper consideration and discriminating against the particular religion is against to the secular nature of our country and is not at all right. Jai Hind. If you are liking my videos, so please comment me on comments section and also tell me your topics by which I can make videos on your topic. Thank you.